Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Zenless Zone Zero game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issues if your game is crashing or you are stuck at the loading screen. So let's get started right away. If you are trying to play the Zenless Zone Zero game, but your game is either crashing or it is stuck in the loading screen, then in order to fix this issue, you will first need to make sure that your game is updated to the latest version. In order to do this, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Then tap on the search box and search for Zenless Zone Zero. When you find the game, if you see an update button instead of play, then you will need to tap on it to install the latest updates. Make sure the latest updates are installed and then try playing the game once again. If it still doesn't work, then you will need to long press on the Zenless Zone Zero game and then tap on the info button. Then from the application info page, tap on force stop in order to stop the application first. Now go into storage and then you can tap on clear cache. This will clear all of the application cache and it should fix your issue. If you clear your data, you will also need to log back into your account. You can also try uninstalling and reinstalling the game. And that is how you can fix the game getting stuck at loading screen or the crashing issues on Zenless Zone Zero. If you find this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.